Good evening, everyone. It's 6:38 p.m. here in California. So to those who are watching us, we will be doing a Live Good Business presentation, and hopefully you can join us until the end. It is going to be exciting, including because we will be mentioning here the products and the compensation. So makinig po lahat all over the world, mga Pilipino, mga kababayan po natin. If you are watching us, wherever you are, whether in the Philippines or abroad, yung mga OFW who are watching us, please do come and join us. Or if you can watch this live, pwede nyo naman panoorin yung replay. But this is really informative because you will learn how we do the business doing online. And I know that a lot of people are looking for a side hustle like this where you can do it even if you are working, even if you are anywhere in the world. My name is Medi Parahele, and I'm doing this as a part-time. And anyone who wants to do this, you can do it even if you still have full-time. So here's my another partner here, our coach, Lola. She will be saying something about Live Good. All right, coach.
Evening, everyone. Thank you so much, Coach Medi. 6:40 p.m. You can also tell us where you're watching from, by the way. I am your Coach Lola, also here in California. We've been doing this Live Good for almost 2.5 years, and we are will continue to promote this one-of-a-kind business, guys, especially to all those people who are planning to retire, just like me. I'm retired, guys, and I'm working from home. I don't call this as a work. For me, is this happy because a hobby is something like I'm able to, do some graphics, marketing material. So we provide all of those to our team. So we're calling all the seniors like me, at 60 plus or so. So because we are focusing on our health nowadays, especially, diba? So I hope you enjoy the ride. Get your coffee or tea. And if you don't have a coffee or tea, we can sell that to you guys. It's so delicious. So stay tuned until the end. And if you have some questions, please don't hesitate to ask. We will try to do this as fast as we can. And yeah, welcome to the club. So we're going to be presenting a big review, and this is our size for the Global Income Builder team, guys. We are the Global Income Builder team. You can find us on Facebook. Very easy. You can see this slide. Yeah. Okay. So what is Live Good, guys? We are an affiliate and membership club, and also a wholesale club, because you wouldn't believe how affordable is our pricing. It's really like getting from the manufacturer, guys, and we are tagged as the #1 home business in the home business industry since 2023, when it was launched. It was actually launched on December 13, 2022, but we are categorized as the fastest growing company in this industry. And you can find that from the Business for Home organization website. Yes, able to beat all of those, big companies. And I know you know all those big companies, right? So we are located in Jupiter, Florida, guys, and we're 2 million members already worldwide. All right. So what is our benefits and affiliates? So we're trying to give you offers here, guys. We're going to be offering you 3 programs. One is this affiliate. And as an affiliate, you can get your website. Actually, we're offering you 8 websites now, but I know we're coming up with 2 more. And so we're so excited about that. So your membership, your affiliate application here, guys, is lifetime, which means you're not going to have an account expiration. You can pass it on to your family from generation to generation, and you can also sell it just in case you don't want to continue the business. Okay, so you're gonna have your personal shop. It's a weekly sales payout as well. So all the people who's buying from your website, you're gonna get paid every week. And we also offer the drop shipping. If this is the first time you heard about drop shipping, guys, it is something like you're not holding any products. You're not obliged to buy any products, because once a customer purchase from your website, the company will get it automatically, and they will be the one to process the order and, you know, send it to your customers, even it is customer from around the world. So in this affiliate business, guys, we don't have any product purchases. I mean, packages. You don't have to buy those old time how do you call this, packages from other companies. We don't have that here. And no monthly auto ship or quota required over here. So it's very, very lenient, especially to us who are getting older. Next slide, please. We're trying to rush this, guys. If you don't understand what I'm talking about, please comment below and we will slow down a little bit. Okay, what is membership club? So this is another concept of Live Good, guys. So in this membership club, this is where we are going to save. And not only that, but because we are also going to earn. Can you imagine that? You are going to get paid here as a member and affiliate if this is combined, okay? Because we have the third option, which is as a member only if you want to get the discounted product prices. That is only member, and if you're only a member, you're not going to get paid in cash. You will get gifts, no? Product gifts, free product. Over here if you're just a member. So if I were you, I'm going to join the membership and the affiliate at the same time. So I hope you understand that. So membership club is so familiar here, especially in the United States. I don't know in other countries, but as far as I remember, I think in the Philippines, we have two companies, a warehouse club there, which is the Landers and
SNR.
I forgot. SNR. Yeah.
SNR.
SNR. I didn't. Yeah, I think it's an SNR. So that's also the same as our Costco here in the United States. Can you imagine, guys, if these companies are giving their member a payback? Can you imagine how many members that Costco has right now? They have 119 million members, and those members are paying $120 per year. So I'm telling about the fee that we are paying with this membership with other companies, because you will be surprised of how much is the membership club here in Live Good later on. So the next one is the very famous one here right now is Amazon as well. This is started actually in their garage. They're just selling books. Oh my gosh. So Jeff Bezos actually figured out the thing about membership. And then when he opened the membership club in Amazon, I think the account holder grew up to 200 million members. And the first million was when it was after only 3 years. Can you imagine? And now we are paying $14.95 per month. I'm a member of Amazon. That's why I know this. Netflix. Everybody wants the Netflix because, you know, during the COVID time, no one is going out. No one is going to the theater. So can you imagine how many members now with Netflix? 306 million members and growing. Oh, I think they're actually, some people are unsubscribing right now with the Netflix because I know the story. I cannot tell you the story right now. But in Netflix, we're paying $9.95 to $19.95 if you get the family plan. So Facebook now is also asking their, how do you call this? A subscriber or what? How do you call this?
Members?
You know, account, I forgot, the blue account or something like that. To verify, verified account. Okay. So on Facebook and other social media, they're also requiring us to subscribe. $14.95 now with Facebook. And this Zoom, actually, I just changed the price here. Oh gosh, I'm only paying before $14 to 15, and now they just raised my monthly from Zoom, which is $16.95. And this one that we are using is a StreamYard with Coach Medi. We are on the free account because we cannot pay that
Yeah,
$29.95.
it is really expensive, the
Very
StreamYard.
expensive membership. And mind you guys, you know, you're paying your gold, your gym, your Wi-Fi, your water, your electric. Those are all subscription and membership. So these are all not paying us back. So Live Good is better because you're going to get paid with your membership. Okay? Is this yours?
Okay. Akin na ba din?
Yes.
Okay. Let's see and let's meet the people behind Live Good. Let us introduce you to the great people behind the corporate team. Let's start with the CEO, Ben Glinsky, with over 20 years of experience. I'm not going to read all of this, the small ones here, but here is our Ben Glinsky. You always see him doing his promoting Live Good. Another one here is Dr. Ryan Goodkin, the Director of Product Development. He is the one behind the genius person for all those products that we have with Live Good. Kung ano po yung nakikita nyo sa Live Good, all those products that you can see on the website, it's because of Dr. Ryan's genius, knowledge about these products. And he is the one doing it. Of course, we have Lisa Goodkin, the Director of Health Education. And she focuses on minimizing the stress and maximizing productivity. She is the person explains to you about the products that we are promoting in Live Good. So if you see them, husband and wife, and we have every Monday, check this out at 9 o'clock Pacific time, and they are explaining about the Live Good products. So matututo po kayo, marami po kayong malalaman about the products that we have. And last but not the least, we have Noder Kasan, Director of Field Development, and he is always there whenever you need him. So, okay. Live Good Simple Mission, to help you and other people get healthy and stay healthy without having to spend a fortune to do it. Tama po yan. Did you know that MLM Secrets, the average score to make MLM products only ranges from $5 to $12?
Yeah.
And this is sold at 10 times more. Kaya makikita nyo all those products na yun ang mahal-mahal. But with Live Good, they change everything. Okay. And you will find out that later on, as you can see, as we present it here, kung gaano ka-affordable ang products ng Live Good. Okay, the products that we have here, we have the weight loss, detox and gut health, immune booster, heart health, sleep support, muscle and joint aid, brain health, beauty and skincare, children health, sexual health, hormone, and pets health. So, you see these products, you can see all the samples of the products that we have. These are the products that we have. It has a full 90-day empty bottle guarantee. So let's say during the first month, you're not happy with it, you can return it with no questions asked. But I don't hear any people that they have returned. Probably very few of them, but like me, as I've been using most of the products, I don't return because I use it and I keep on ordering. Yeah, and mind you, these products are made in the USA. So you can see the quality of the product. 100% organic, GMP certified with the highest quality guaranteed at the lowest price. Up to 75% off, less than the other brands. So you see the comparison. It's also on the website. You can see it. Compared to the other products, and you can say, "Bala, totoo po yan." We can attest to that because we are the one, Coach Lola and I, also using all their products.
Yeah.
And more are coming, so you will see.
Today.
Yeah, you will see in the coming months that the company is introducing more products that are, you can see from Live Good. All right. Okay, the sample price comparison. Here's the quality. Here's the like this one, the multivitamin. Okay, it's only $9.95, and it has ano ba yun? 60 capsules yata.
Yeah.
Good for 30 days. And compared to the other brands that we have here, $47.95, $29. So you see that price, 79% off from this one. Tingnan nyo naman sa Libgood, it's only $9.95. D3K2, this is for your immune system. So I suggest you have to take this one. $8.50, it's only $8.50 here. $34.45, $21.40. So ang layo ng difference. The next one here is Super Greens, the famous Super Greens that we all love to drink every day. Here, $18. Compared nyo sa AGI, it's $99.99. Sa Costco, they're selling this one. I saw it. Pero hindi ko na nilapitan kasi I know, compared to Super Greens, malayo talaga.
Yeah.
Tignan nyo ang price. It's 81% savings when you go to Live Good. And you can see the content of the Super Greens detailed at the back. It's incomparable pagdating po dyan sa Organifi, AGI. So also this one, ng coffee, the coffee that we always drink every day. I always drink this with Coach Lola. I guess just every day. I love the organic mushroom coffee of Live Good. This is a mushroom coffee. Compared to rice na laging ina-advertise sa Facebook, can you imagine the price? $35 against $17.95. Or can you find that? Also, we have the collagen peptides. Bakit malusog ang buhok namin ni Coach Lola? Why we have a beautiful skin? Because of this collagen peptides. So a lot of people, sometimes people are asking, what are we taking? One of this is the collagen peptides. It's only $27.95, guys, compared to the other one. Ang mahal-mahal. And you don't even know kung ano yung nandyan sa loob. With collagen, it's only $27.95, very affordable. Ang sister ko nga nagpapabili. Nagpapabili sa akin. Tatlo. Nag-i-stock siya palagi.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. Also, the Super Reds, $18. So, my husband's favorite, Super Reds. Pag taga-timpla ng Super Reds namin si Bobby, siya, kung ano nilalagay niya. You can mix this with different, banana. Marami siyang nilalagay doon eh. But it really tastes good. And this is really good for your heart. For those people, wanting and has heart problem, you better take this one, guys. Compared to this one, Beats, $39.95, ang mahal. $69.95, ang mahal pala ng Organifi, ano?
Yan ang dati kong ginagamit.
$9.99? Wow. Pala yun. Okay. Okay na dito, Coach, di ba?
Yes, okay. Nako, thank you so much. Once again, Coach Medi, yan, nakita na ninyo mga comparison and everything later on. Talagang kung gusto niyo maging masigla, kailangan pumasok kayo dito sa Live Good. Now, let's talk about this exciting compensation plan na pinagkakaguluhan talaga, very, tawag dito, controversial na pay plan, which is most of the company nowadays are copying. Yes, even in the Philippines, they're copying this. And I'm so shocked, guys. Okay, so how do we earn here in Live Good? Well, we have the 8 ways to earn. In fact, we just want you to focus on the 1, 2, 3. That is where the money is coming, the fast money or the big money is coming from. And then the other will follow. Okay, now the fast start, hybrid, unlimited, match bonus, retail commission, customer acquisition, influencer bonus, diamond will be explained to you on this second slide. All right. Okay, so get excited, guys. The fast start bonus is where we can get a weekly income. Yes, it's unlimited, unlimited wide. You're not, you can get as many people as you like here in Live Good, and every time they will enroll under your referral link, guys, you can get paid $25. That is so huge because that is 50% of the Fast Start payment here, or what we call the affiliate fee and the membership fee over here that you're going to see later. So imagine, guys, if you have 10 in a week, you get $250. If you have 10 in a day, what will happen? Because that happens to me, that within a matter, I think, of 1 week, I have like 20 people already in my team. So napakabilis, di po ba? $25, figure it out. Kung ilan ang kakilala ninyo, just have to list down. Halimbawa, you have 100 people. Imagine how much is that? 2,000? 22,000? Right. So if you get here to Live Good, we have ranking system, and this is very easy ranking, because once you get into Live Good, you are unranked, and the first person you got here, you're still unranked. And then the second person, when you get second person, then you become bronze. So we're going to be talking about the later on the how to rank higher. But guys, if you will see our chart, you can get paid up to 10th level if you become diamond. Okay, and it's as the ranking system here is very attainable. All right, so let's move to another one. Again, 50%. That's higher because the other company that I know, all of them, I have checked all of them, they're just giving you 10%. Yes, 10% of your initial payment, and you're going to buy a lot of packages over there. Okay, number 2 is the hybrid matrix commission. Why do we say this is hybrid? Because this is actually a forced matrix wherein you cannot do anything but receive commission sooner or later, because the people that are enrolling here in Live Good, they are placed under those people who enrolled in this company ahead of us. So if you want to, take advantage of the people coming in the next few years, okay, we're only 2 years, 2.5 years. So you will benefit on those people coming over. So if you will see this chart, guys, this hybrid matrix, no matter what you do, people will gonna be here, okay? So this matrix bonus is paid monthly, every month. Yes, so we have, this is your residual income. How do you call that? Passive income, residual income, and unlimited wide, okay? But it is limited deep because as you can see, we have ranking system here, and let's say if you're unranked and you cannot enroll anyone, listen here, guys. If you cannot enroll anyone and you become an affiliate member of Live Good, this is how much you will get: 2,047 all in all, if your own matrix is filled up to 12 levels. Again, you don't have to wait, because every time you see people under you getting placed there in your matrix, you are already receiving that every month. The following month, the following end of the month, you're going to receive here. Okay, so I was talking to one person, and they said she said she's so busy right now working, just like Coach Medi is also working. But look at Coach Medi, she can do this business, right? So you
really have to find a time management.
Time management. That is just time management, guys. Okay. So when you rank higher, you're gonna be opening another level, which is 13th level for bronze and silver. And what will happen? You will get a maximum of 4,095, guys, for silver and bronze. Imagine that. You're only paying $995. Imagine. Okay. And if you get to gold and platinum, guys, you will receive double of the 4,000. It's gonna be 8,191, guys. Even this will take like 10 years. I don't care, because you're already receiving here in the middle. The middle of your matrix, you're already receiving that monthly and permanent, as long as the people are there under your matrix. Okay, so let me recap this one, guys. So this is the first matrix on this side. of the frame. So you can see the bronze, that is only up to 12 level. So you will be receiving 2,048, and then how do you call it? Oh, no, that's the unranked, the bronze, and the silver, 4,095. And gold to platinum is 8,000. I like this 8,000. I don't care if I cannot get to diamond. I just like the 8,000 monthly, guys, with only pay, and you're only paying 995. Okay, because that is based on the 2.5%. Every people under you who are paying 995 or monthly membership, you're gonna get 2.5%. Malaki po yun. Malaki yung 2.5%. Because other company, when you're paying them, if let's say nagbabayad ka ng website o kahit saan, if oh gosh, you're not receiving anything with that website. Okay, next slide, sis. Yeah, ang laki-laki, di ba? Ang mahal-mahal ng website. If you're gonna get website, yeah, I'm a website designer. I can give you a website, but you're gonna pay a lot. This is almost free website, guys, no? Sabi nga ni Coach Medi kanina, yung training lang sa health training is already worth it sa ating 995.
Ito.
Yeah. Matching bonus, guys, ito na yung pagyaman. Okay? Again, narinig nyo ba ako? Kung gusto nyo mabilis yumaman, this is the thing, the matching bonus. You have to duplicate. Duplicate. If you're coming here to live good and you're thinking to change your life, you need to focus on the matching bonus. Okay, guys? So this is also paid monthly. Again, this is in addition for with your matrix, personal matrix. Now, you are gonna get paid on others' matrix. So imagine, guys, other people matrix. So nagpasok ka dito. Okay? Personally enrolled mo. So yung tao na yon, tinatamad. Tinatamad, ha? So, let's say, kumikita na siya ng $500 sa matrix. Sa'yo yung kalahati, 50. Okay? So, si tinatamad na tao, she's so lazy, and she just go there to use the products, and eventually, she's receiving $2,000. How much is yours? Ikaw na direct sponsor, you're gonna get 50%.
50%.
No? 1,000. So, paano kung 10 yung napasok mo, doon ka pa lang, you're not ranking to silver. Let's say you cannot rank to silver, right? So, but you already have 10 people under you, and that people are growing. So, 10 people times 1,000, that is 10,000. Ito yan, matching bonus, guys. Okay? I want you to feel what we are feeling here. Not only that, eto maganda. Sa matching bonus natin, this is not binary. This is one straight line dun sa tao na na-invite mo. So, let's say, nag-rank ka sa silver. Hindi mo kasi mapipigil kung talagang motivated ka mag-promote, mag-marketing ng Live Good. Hindi mo mapipigil yan, guys. Tataas at tataas ang rank mo. No? Tulungan mo lang yung tao na yon na mag-refer ng dalawa. So siguro naman may kakilala kang dalawa. Kahit yung lolo mo at lola mo, ilagay mo na. Diba? So, halimbawa, nag-silver ka, guys. Silver. Yung lahat ng tao under you na nagsi-silver, okay, yun, you will also get 10%. Up to the second level nung tao na yun. Kung may na-refer siya, yung nag-silver na yun, hindi mo siya direct referral. Referral siya ng iba. Pero nag-silver siya, minamatch ni Live Good yung silver rank mo. Pwedeng mangyari na yung personally enroll mo ay siya din yung nag-silver. So, 2 beses kang kumukuha dun sa tao na yon. Si personally enrolled 50%, meron kang additional 10%. Naintindihan nyo, guys? So, gold, lumalalim yan, 5. Platinum, lumalim pa uli up to 5. Minamatch yan. Pag nag-diamond ka, maraming nag-diamond sa baba, may additional 3% ka pa. Diba? So, focus on the 10, focus on the 5, or just focus on the 3 people na yung tao na yon, tulungan mo din maging alagaan yung tatlo or 2 kung ayaw nilang mag-silver, gusto nila bronze lang, 2 lang, yun lang ang i-push nyo yung tao ninyo. Kasi kalahati po yan. So if you will remember, look at here on the right side, guys. Kung nag-unrank si Tamad, 2K yan, 1,000 ang sayo. Kung nag-bronze siya at nag-silver, 2,000 ang sayo kasi tumatanggap ng 4. Kung nag-golden platinum yan, katulad ko, 8,000 ng future ko, 4,000 ang sa sponsored ko. Nakikinig ba si Girlie? Kaya super
siya.
activated yan. Dahil syempre si sponsor ko tatanggap ng 4,000 sa isang tao. Ako yun. Wow, diba? Paano kung nag-diamond pa yung isang na-refer mo? Let me tell you something, a little short story. Yung kahapon po, which is Friday, yun po yung report ng corporate team. Nagre-report sila. So, yung diamond natin, new diamond, we already have 200 plus diamond, and yung current diamond this week, taga UK, okay, was recruited by someone in the UK, recruited by someone in Australia, recruited by someone in Canada, and recruited by someone in Chicago na unranked. Guys, unranked kami, mention ko, ang daming diamond sa ibaba niya, pero siya, isa lang ang na-refer niya. Kaso nag-diamond yung na-refer. Tatanggapin ng diamond 16,000. Magkano ang tinatanggap ngayon ni unranked matamad na isa lang ang na-refer?
Oo.
Laking swerte, di ba? Kaya i-focus natin na iba, kakaiba si Live Good. Live Good is, how do you call this? Talagang revolution. We are changing the the industry of networking. Forget about your old grandma's networking, guys. This is different, okay? Multiple income streams, all right? So the next one, I think si Coach Medi na yan. Nasa na ba?
Retail commission na. Okay. All right, let me handle this one. Number 4 is the retail commission. This is paid also weekly kung may nabibenta kayo. And this is more on the reseller side. So if someone wants to buy a product, she just wants to try it, not to be a member, you can also give your other website. That is the this is something that you'll make money as well. Okay, same ranking po, unranked, bronze, silver, gold medal, platinum, and diamond. As you can see here, may 50% pag direkta sa'yo, or the second level up to the 10th level pag diamond. All right, sample. Commission for organic coffee, the famous organic coffee that everybody wants to drink, like me, like Coach Lola. Yeah. It's $17.95 with the retail price of $24.95. So the difference of that is $7. From that $7, this will be split into two. The 50% goes to you as your commission, and the other 50% goes to the company to Live Good. Now, if somebody from down below you, na hindi mo direct, level 2 mo na siya, mayroong bumili sa kanya, kikita ka pa rin kahit hindi mo siya direct, 70 cents from that. For example, we're only giving sample here as a coffee. Sa coffee. So, all the way pababa hanggang dyan, all the way, 350, 70 cents, 35. If these people down below you are doing also they were able to sell on the retail side of the business, yung hindi sila member, yung mga bumibili, then you can still make it. Hindi limited ang income doon sa mga sinabi ni Coach Lola. Even this one, once you share your website, kikita ka pa rin pag sa retail lang. All right. So, and then po number 4, the 5th one is the customer acquisition bonus. All right. The same structure. And this is paid weekly kung may bumibili sa na nag-join sa inyo. Ito po yun. This is how it works. When any of your personally enrolled member place their first product order, 10% of that order is paid out as a they call it customer acquisition bonus, following the same structure as our fast start commission and retail commission. All right. Sample here, sample computation. Let's say this international wellness pack is $99.95, okay? Now, if this new member joins you and she bought this international wellness pack, i-compute niyo po dyan 10%, which is $9.99. 50%, that is your commission. So, meron ka ng $4.99 because you're a new member who joins you, bumili siya ng product. So, on top of your $25 bonus, kasi pag may nag-join sa inyo, mayroon kang 25 eh. Then, with the products, meron ka pa rin kikitain dyan. So, hindi lang limited nga, as I said, meron pa rin maraming, kaya nga we have 8 different kinds of compensation here. All right, number 6, the influencer bonus. Okay, marami naman kayo nakikita. You see there's a lot of content creator, na marami silang followers, lalo-lalo na sa TikTok. Sa Instagram, sa yung mga YouTuber dyan, na marami silang, subscriber na nagjo-join sa kanila, they do live. These people, if you want to add additional income for you, you can do this with Live Good. As a live reseller, a lot of people I know, they're making really good in TikTok. Why don't you include this Live Good? I believe Live Good partner already with TikTok. So this is another compensation that you can think about. Okay. Retail sales price per month, for example, $2,500. Live Good will give you additional 10%. So that becomes 60%. Kasi di ba, you already have your 50%. Live Good will give you additional bonus of 10%. So all in all, your commission becomes 60%. Another one, if you make more than 5,000, all right, 5,000, additional 20%, 10,000, 30%, all the way up to 50,000. The company will give you additional 50%. In other words, 100% sa inyo na yung kinita nyo lahat. 100% na. So this is really good for those who have a lot of followers. This is also a good opportunity for you to add to your income. So it's an influencer bonus. Think about this. So kung nakikita nyo kami, if you see us presenting this one, go and check and ask questions, leave a message to our Facebook page with Coach Lola or myself. And if we can, further explain to you, if this is not clear to you enough, we can personally talk to you. All right. Number 7, Diamond Pool. Okay, this is paid monthly, first Thursday. Kabibigay lang yata. Kailan ba yun? The other day?
Yeah, last Thursday.
Ng ating monthly profit sharing. Okay. Sa mga diamond, na masaswerteng nagda-diamond, which is everybody wants to become a diamond one day, they make 2% of the total company sales, and this is split between all diamonds in the company. Let's say, for example, 20 million, ang 2% niyan is 400,000. This will be shared to 200 diamonds, assuming, which is, Coach Lola said, more than 200 na tayo na diamonds. So, yung 200 na diamonds, they will divide this 400,000. So, each one of them are going to make 2,000 on top of the other commissions that we have mentioned in the beginning. Kasi there are 8 kasi nga eh. 8, pang 7 na to. So, imagine how much a diamond are making if you are a diamond at this time. Ang laki-laki. 2,000 is malaking bagay na yun, di ba?
Yeah, actually, 20 million lang yung, I use 20 million as a sample, but we are selling up to 50 million per month.
Yeah, a lot of, one more share, kasi even me, myself, bumibili ako ng products, my last bill, Coach Lola, is more than 200.
Me too.
Yeah.
Me too.
Oo, 200. So imagine mo yung kino-contribute na yung ako sa company. I'm the one of the members.
1%.
So kung 2,000 members na tayo, 50% of them are already, buying these products. Imagine mo kung 200. It's a lot of money.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. The last one is the Crown Diamond Pool. This is also paid monthly on first Thursday. So this is if you're a diamond, and I think if you reach these requirements, you become you belong to the Crown Diamond. And I believe we have 3 diamonds right now in Live Good. And this is another profit sharing. 0.5% ibibigay ng company of the total company sales is split between all Crown Diamonds. So the company sales, the same computation that we mentioned earlier, 20 million, 0.5% of that is 100,000. So this, since tatlo pa lang ang crown diamonds natin, they will split this into 3. So each one of them are going to make 33,333.
Yeah.
Laki, no?
Ooh, shocking. Yeah. So,
ano,
yeah.
sa flood control, o wala sila.
Yeah. So don't become a contractor. I know how to call fraudulent contractor in the Philippines. Just join Live Good and you will also
Legit na lang kayo, legit pa to.
Legit.
Alright. Pagpaguran nyo ang kabubuhay nyo. Alright. Ikaw na yata. Gusto mo to, Coach?
Okay. So, pahinga natin si Coach Medi. We are now here on how you, are you ready to join, guys? Leave in the comment. Are you ready? So, how much is our capital? I mentioned everything about the other companies, guys, na walang payback, no payback. Here in Live Good, you only need to pay one time, $40. So, ano na yan, wala yung expiration and you can set up your account instantly at this very moment. Sign up na, ano pa hinihintay, di ba? Monthly subscription mo, that will start kasama nitong 40. Pero yung $9.95 subscription natin, once again, monthly yan. Katulad ng Costco, ng Amazon, monthly po yan, okay? So, wag kayong magpapababaya ng monthly subscription because this is where you can get lowest prices. No? Now, $49.95 lang po yung initial. A lot of companies out there, you're going to pay 100,000, 200 to 500,000 pesos. Gosh, this is only like how much? Starbucks? So you go to Starbucks, sometimes you spend like $100 yata ako when I go there sometimes. So this is only $49.95. It's so easy to spend that, spend that somewhere. But this is a business that we are offering you guys, $49.95 one time. Okay, now $9.95 monthly. Now let's say I was talking to someone yesterday. So if you want more discount dito, paling tayo dito sa kanan, guys, save 20% off. Okay? $99.95 lang babayaran mo instead of $120 a year yung iyong membership. Diba? Mas gusto mong mag-save, you want to save more, then pay the $99.95 plus one time 40, a total of $139.95. Understood? Yan, marami tayong member na nagbabayad ng 1 year. Sayang din yan 2 months. Sayang yan, di ba?
Oo.
Okay. So, how do you pay? Wow. How to pay? In this, how to enroll, no? Once you enroll, you're gonna get inside the what we call a funnel, a tour link, no? Kay Coach Medi Lifestyle, lifestylewithmedi.com. If you go there, so ang mangyayari, you will be asked there to put in your name and your email, guys, and put other details inside, no? Makakapag-login ka and you just pay it with your debit card, credit card, no? I'm sure you have that. At kung wala kayong debit card and credit card, just call us because we can pay for you guys in cryptocurrency and we can also pay you through our credit wallet. So many ways. Huwag ka nang mag-aksaya ng panahon, guys. This is the day, okay? Yeah? How to receive your payout? Ito maraming takot eh. Sabi nila, sige, nagbayad ako sa Live Good. How will I receive my commission? Ang dali-dali po. Guys, okay, if you are here in the United States, katulad ng kausap ko kahapon, guys, it is direct to your bank. Hindi mo na, you don't have to request your commission. It's automatic. Last Thursday, meron ako monthly, malaki eh. So that is how we receive commission here in the United States. Now, if you're from international, okay, so we have the iPayout, which is a third-party website wherein you will enroll there through Live Good, of course, and then they will send your weekly and monthly payout there. Doon nyo ilalagay yung bank ninyo. You will attach your bank in that iPayout third-party company, like PayPal po yan. And the rest, like yung mga members ko sa Nigeria, Turkey, India, they prefer the cryptocurrency. Isa-set up lang po yan dyan, and you will automatically receive your cryptocurrency weekly. So if you love cryptocurrency, be here in Live Good. Dito mo na palaguin yung cryptocurrency mo. Ang bilis, guys. Okay? So, sponsor credit wallet, we also receive that. And so, we help our members, like in the Philippines, we also buy your credit inside your Live Good, and we send you the cash. So, it's whatever. Choose here what is convenient for you guys. It's so easy. Let's earn this week. Okay? Next. Sis, ikaw na yan?
Okay. Why join us? Why do you have to join us? Okay. In Global Income Builder team, we have this team with Coach Lola. Free personal site. As you see, si Lola magaling dyan because she's web developer. So, ginagawa niya yan. She'll give it to you. Okay. Free weekly training. We do the weekly training with the corporate office. And of course, we do it also if you want to get some training from us. Free chat room support. We have our own chat room support. Free marketing materials. Napakarami pong marketing materials binibigay si Coach Lola sa atin. Free business presentation, just like what we're doing right now. If you want to do it on your own, we can give it to you.
Yeah.
Okay? Free Facebook advertising tutorial. Tuturuan kayo ni Coach Lola niyan.
Yan.
Okay, so saan ka pa? Dito ka na lang sa Global Income Builder team.
Yes, hindi ka maliligaw.
Salamat. Thank you so much. Natapos din kami. Asan na ba ako? Sandali. Okay.
Thank you,
alright.
thank you.
Bilis natin.
So, nakalimutan natin banggitin yung mga 5,000 viewers. My goodness.
Oo. Meron tayo si Coach K. Sabi ko, mag-join ka pero hindi yata siya, hindi umaandar yung computer daw niya.
Yeah.
Anyway, si Coach Girly. Coach Girly.
Si Coach
Hello.
And
si
Bobby
Rose.
so watching.
Yeah, Rose Ikenda from Japan. Uy, ang mga taga-Japan nandito. Diyos ko po. Hintayin niyo po kami dyan. Magja-Japan na naman kami ng family ko.
Wow, ang sarap naman.
Yeah.
Yes.
Favorite place ng mga anak ko. So, what can you do?
Kailangan mapuntahan na din natin yan. So guys, ano pang hinihintay natin? Ayan na po yung ating presentation. I'm sure huwag kayong magpahuli. Lahat na nagpapahuli. Ay nako, marami pong nawawala sa inyo guys, okay? So visit our website, main.livegoodpros.com or itong kay Coach Medi.
Lifestylewithmedi.com. Yan po nakikita nyo. Nandyan po. You can enroll or there or you want to learn something new about Live Good or want to know more about Live Good. Nandyan lang po ang website namin ni Coach Lola. Feel free to reach out to us. And also, if you have any questions, comment lang po kayo dito sa aming Facebook Live. Alright.
Right. CoachLolaLifestyle.com, guys. Don't forget. And see you inside. Okay. Right. Our Facebook group. God bless everyone.
Right. Thank you everyone for watching. You. Share this. Alright.
Bukas po yung raffle ng mga nagsipag-like and comment dyan. Okay.
Okay.